You never know when something's going to start backing out. Luckily, I didn't have anything that was loose, so it was pretty nice. Oh, it wasn't too awful. But it's definitely something that you want to do. I bet we got some dirt bikes out here somewhere. So far, this road's been all right. I decided to come down this side. Oh, thank goodness for that skid plate. I don't know if you heard that. I did. I felt it. All right, this is a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be. I was a bit nervous